Hi guys, today we are playing some more Roblox. As you can see, I got low internet. Well, that will be fixed in a few days. Well, I'm gonna cut because you guys are not going to see what I'm playing. Okay guys, I reveal my face. As you can see, I didn't do a face reveal, did I? I don't think. With a webcam. Oh, the game gets laggy. Look at the game's physics engine. You hear the music? Yeah. Must have been something. Look at my roof. This is like cursed roof, dude. I'm in an abandoned house. Sir, do you accent me as like a noob? Please, don't crush me like this. Okay, guys. You might remember this game. So I'm just not going to teleport again. I'm just going to cut it until I get to row 1. Okay? There we go. Okie dokie. Okay, everyone. Now I guess I got to row 1. I think it's called row 1. So let me just spawn my mom's car. Okay. The game is laggy with my webcam. Let me just turn it off, okay? May I show you my family? May I show my family to you guys? Okay, my tablet is covered. Now, as you can see, I got my whole family there. You see it? And well, as that happening, I'm going to turn off webcam because it's laggy. Okay, I made webcam invisible. Do you call this a game even? Or do you want? Because I don't like the sounds of the cars. I'm going forward. Oh yes, freezer, freeze me, freeze me. What happened to my car? Oh my god, I'm getting freeze. No. I died. Oh my god. Okay. There I go. I'm going for the next. They're the. Okay, I got it. Okay, we go to speed test because everyone likes McQueen. Kids like McQueen, aren't they? They like their very own hero. Distance, choose distance. Can I choose the distance 100% long, 100% low? I don't know. Okay. Choose distance long. Yeah, it's long now. Yee. What kind of this is this? Oh yeah. We're going fastest, boy. Oh my god. Okay guys, that was off the thing. Yeah, that was the thing. And let me do a Roblox Spy by emote for my wreck army. Okay? Bye bye.